studied.
Yeah.
You may begin.
It's terrible out here. Trash is everywhere. What's that smell? Animals are getting sick and choking on falling to the ground. This stinks. I'm gonna build a time machine to go back to the past to get these people to turn this gunk into grass and beautiful stuff. It is bad for the environment to litter.
The rustling isn't going to clean this mess. Let's make a potion. Oh no, not getting more garbage. What are we going to do? Whoa, where did you go?
You were here looking and I'm not afraid to say it. I'm here from the future to tell you to pick up all this mess. You realize we could die from this! We tried to clean it up with a potion, but it's just making it worse. You don't need to pick it up with a potion. All you need to do is pick it up.
Pick it up there. Let's make a more fuss.
Yeah, let's go at the king quick.
Your machine's getting glitchy. If you don't go back to your time, your machine's getting glitchy. Soon, it's going to explode.
You may enter. There's lots of litter in the community garden in the South 80. Animals can eat it and get sick. We want to have a litter bingo scavenger hunt to help pick it up. Whoever wins gets a prize.
And can we have permission and your rope?
One next to the television pitch. What's an elevator?
I have no idea.
Is it even a word?
Whatever. I'll make it help you.
Can you help us with supplies like gloves, bags, and letting people know?
And can we have a gold across?
Oh, sure. Let's begin.
People of South 80, I now present to you the Litter Bingo Scavenger Hunt. Here are your bingo cards. Whoever gets a bingo first wins a pound of gold.
If I win, I'm going to buy ice cream. I just need to find something green in a bottle. Bingo, I win. Here's your
People of South 80, we shall have this activity every year.
next time in summer. It worked. The South 80 is not terrible anymore. Every year for hundreds of years, we have the Litter Bingo Scavenger Hunt. It's a tradition. Our community partners this year were Mariemont Mayor, the South 80 Advisory Council, and graders and Boy Scouts. I found a thank you letter from the mayor. Hey, look at this old scroll telling the story of the first litter thing. The very first litter thing at the South 80 Nature Show was very effective. The goal was to pick up a lot of trash, and that is what happened. Some things worked really well. People wanted to come because picking up trash was turned into a game. It was good that Mariemont Fire Department picked up the big trash with their truck. Some things could have gone better. People got confused about the date because it kept changing because of the snow. Some people didn't come because it was cold. The elevator pitch worked great. It was used to tell the community partners about the litter thing and to ask for help. The mayor of Mariemont gave permission to park in the South 80 and gave us work gloves and trash bags. The South 80 Advisory Council and Mariemont Elementary School did announcements and signs. Graders gave a gift card for the prize. The trash bingo scavenger hunt was a very fun way to pick up trash. There were bingo cards with different kinds of litter to find. It made it more exciting. The impact was good. 24 people came. The trash filled up 5 giant bags plus other things that were too big to put in bags. We didn't expect to find a broken chair, a rusty sink, an oil drum, and a tire. We also didn't expect so much snow. Summertime would be a better time to have a trash bingo scavenger hunt because there is even more trash when the river goes down. Also, more people would have come if it wasn't so cold. A litter thing made the South 80 nature trails beautiful.
The end.